Hello, my name is Gracia Hernandez. I work at Rockline Industries in the HR and Training Department as an operations support resource. In my job, I am in charge of basically all training for production associates within my shift. So I am that middle person between production and various departments. Rockline Industries is a paper converting company, and they produce coffee filters and wet wipes. Fun fact, Rockline Industries produces 85% of the coffee filters in the nation. I actually came out of high school and I was not sure what I wanted to do, and this was exactly the right fit for me. My family decided to make a move down to Wisconsin really because of that big city feel that you get, but still having that home family-based. Wisconsin really provides that, and also provides good education, a good cost of living, and still be able to enjoy a lot of the fun things. There's a lot of different positions that manufacturing encompasses in. It's very exciting that I have a place here that I'm able to use my leadership skills, my communication skills, and it's a very diverse group of working people. So what I love the most about my job is the interaction that I have with people on a daily basis. My job is very much multitasking, engaging with people, communicating, and making sure that what they want to bring to life out on the production floor, that I'm able to do that, and that associates are going to be well trained. So for example, if the safety department wants to implement a new program or a new system or a new policy, then I will work with that department to make sure that when I translate that message, that it's translated well to the associates. The best thing about working at Rockline Industries is that it's a family-owned business, and you really get that feel from everybody that works here. It really fits the model of people make it right.